Hey everybody, if you forgot this week is Father's Day. It's coming up and we have the perfect recipe for the grill. We know that's what your dad wants and we are here to share it with you. It's time for our barbecue recipe of the week, and today we are making soy ginger steak kebabs. Yum! AJ Maudsley is here to share all the tips and details for how to make a meal Dad will love. We know he likes meat, right? What else makes this perfect for Father's Day?
So the reason I love this is because it's easy.
Yeah.
It's got something for everybody. There's meat and there's veggies. It's also really beautiful to look at.
Colorful.
Yeah.
Colorful.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with this marinade because I think that's the key a lot of times.
It is, yeah.
Okay, what are you putting in your marinade?
So we're starting with pineapple juice.
Yeah.
I like the good kind of citrusy tropical flavor. So we're gonna add a third of a cup of brown sugar, maybe. There we go.
Give it a little
sweet. We're gonna
sweet.
add a third of a cup of soy sauce. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of fresh minced ginger.
Ooh, that's the kicker.
2 cloves of minced garlic.
Okay,
Get
and
those in there.
how soon do we need to stick our meat in this?
So you'll want to marinate your steak for a minimum of 4 hours, but preferably overnight. Overnight is best.
Best to get it going Saturday night anyway,
yeah,
right?
Absolutely,
Get going. Okay, now we're going to put some of these together, and I'm seeing you have some really serious skewers here.
I do.
What about
yes.
people who just use like the wooden ones?
So bamboo skewers, those are great. They're awesome. You'll want to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you assemble your kebabs. That way they don't
catch
burn
on fire.
the grill.
Yeah.
Yep. They'll be safe and sound on the grill.
Okay, so we got to do that. And how hot should our grill be as we're are we heating the grill up as we're putting them together?
You can, yeah, absolutely. But you want your grill as hot as possible. So set it on high. That way they're done quick. And that's the other nice thing about this recipe. It's really quick to do.
I like that because it feels like you're always kind of busy on Father's Day. Okay, let's put these together.
Okay,
Any
perfect.
tips for me?
So I always like to kind of anchor it with maybe an onion or something like that. That way it
and
stays
just
in place.
this fat ways is fine?
Yep,
okay.
That's just fine. Watch your fingers as you're going through. And then really there's no right or wrong way to do it.
Just whatever you
put
think.
whatever you want, however you want, in whatever order you'd like.
You can make this time to work with your kids on patterns.
That's right, that's right. That's good, that's good. And then what I found is every time you'll make these, there's gonna be leftovers of a certain, maybe there's leftover pineapple or steak. Just turn that into a whole kebab. I love just the whole steak kebabs or just the whole pineapple kebab. They're awesome, they're great.
What are your feelings on letting everybody make their own kebab?
Totally for it.
Yeah.
It gets everybody involved, especially the kids. You know, my girls and kids and wife love, you know, helping and assisting, and they're great at it.
So if you see these skewers, they're flat like this. Is there a reason? Do you like that better?
So I like that because it keeps things from spinning around on the skewer as they're cooking. For the most part, tomatoes are kind of notoriously hard to grill, but they'll stay there for the most part. And I like the stainless steel. That way I can just keep reusing them over and over and over. So.
And are these something you can just throw in the dishwasher?
You can. I wash them by hand, but yeah, you can wash them in the dishwasher for sure.
Okay, how'd I do?
So
do I need to go to the very end?
You did great. Yeah, throw an orange pepper on there. We want all the colors possible that we can get. Perfect. Throw another piece of meat. A one meat kebab does not count.
Okay,
no.
okay.
And then throw another pepper on there to finish it up.
Green.
And then, and then that's how we'll do them.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay, now talk to me about how long we need to cook. I think that's a problem, especially sometimes if you do potatoes or something.
Yeah.
It seems like some take a lot longer than others. So how do we judge that?
Well, the nice thing is all of the veggies, like you can see on these, they get a nice char on them, which I like the flavor of that. But really, you're just looking for your steak to be done. A good thing to have is a probe thermometer that will give you a good reading on the steak. You want food safety is number one. You know, you don't want to be eating undercooked meat. And so once your steak is done, everything else is done. I mean, the veggies, those are done in no time. So.
Okay, so are we rotating these?
Yes,
okay.
You'll want to turn them, you know, every few minutes, not too often because you want to get them some char on there, but not too often, but you are rotating them maybe every 3 or 4 minutes.
And how do you like to serve these? Because I'm always like, do I let people take them off themselves? Do I take them off and arrange them on a plate? What would you suggest?
I usually take them off and do them just like this, and then I'll serve them with maybe a side of rice or something like that, and yeah, good to go.
And see, look at these are a lot longer.
Yeah.
So then, because I was like, oh, this isn't very much, but you can get these skewers in all the sizes.
Different sizes, yep.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, AJ. Where do we go if we want to learn more from you?
So my website is slowpokecooking.com, and my Instagram is @slowpoke_BBQ.
Slowpoke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Slowpoke.
You can check him out on Instagram.